organic. Hey, spring is here and there are so many fun things that you can do with your yard, and I'm at the fun place where they have everything. Toth, Prescott, True Value. I tell you, I don't know that there's anything for spring you don't have, so we're just going to start and go through some stuff because I just bought some flowers and some spray paint, okay, for summer.
Flowers and spray paint, what a mixture, right?
I know, but you got to spray all the things that got, you know, messed up in the winter. But you have flowers and also
we got all sorts of stuff.
Plants and
you know,
herbs.
Spring is my favorite time of year because everything kind of comes to life again. You know, the birds are out, the flowers are growing, the weeds unfortunately are growing, but we got to have weeds too.
And
you know,
Easter's coming too.
Easter's coming,
fun.
yep.
Yeah.
So it's a great time of year to get ready for your backyard, get your garden ready, everything like that. And we have all sorts of things you need. You can see we brought in our new line of plants. We have vegetables, herbs, we have color out there, some potted plants, hanging baskets, all sorts of things that you can help just add a little accent to your house or get your garden and your flower beds ready to go.
Okay, and important with that, because I've got to do this on my plants, is fertilizing, and you have all the stuff for that too.
We do. We have lawn fertilizers we're showing here, weed and feed. You got your lawn fertilizer, your turf builder. We also have plant fertilizers, your preen to help pre-emergent for your weeds, stuff like that that'll help keep the weeds down. We got weed trimmers and stuff like that if you're wanting to get that mess cleaned up or trim your grass or things like that. A variety of good things to do out there.
Also
you can't
gloves
forget,
and trimmers,
yeah,
and all that, the equipment
pots,
that you need.
Gloves are great. Everybody needs gloves. The one thing that everybody should have is a nice hat.
A must.
You know, I was out doing a playground for the Boys and Girls Club a couple weekends ago, and my ears got burnt because they stick out like, you know, Pinocchio or whatever. But you know, a good hat like that to keep the sun off is a good thing to have. We got some yard decor. You can put wall art out there, your planter boxes, of course the potting mixes. Potting mixes are very important, especially if you're doing above ground planters, and even mixing it into your soils in your garden and stuff like that.
Yeah, kind of amend them so that they're healthier and happier with that thing.
Yep.
And yeah, you've got all kinds of patio furniture for relaxing after you've done all this hard work of planting and stuff. Then you can sit down and relax on beautiful lawn furniture.
Yeah, there's two relaxing things I like to have. I like to have a fountain because I like the water noise. So we got a good variety of, you know, stand-up fountains like this, tabletop fountains. You can also put that out. I have one in my front yard that I put there. I just like to hear the noise and the fountains, and it kind of keeps peaceful with you.
A lot of great atmosphere. Now, this is, speaking of water, you've got something magic for water if you're
these
around
are pretty
it this
cool.
year.
If you're out camping or if you're going to the lake, you're going to the beach, going to the ocean, these are water bags that come in a couple different sizes. And inside here, you just open it up. You can put your cell phone, your tablet, your wallet, anything you don't want to get wet. Simply roll it up, clasp it, and the thing is watertight. You can let it, you know, sit out there. It'll float for you if you need it to. But these are great little inexpensive things. But you know, I know how many times I take the kids to the pool down in Phoenix or whatever.
Oh yeah.
And they get, you know, stuff's getting wet. They're splashing all over. It's a great little thing to keep it, you know, just nice and dry.
You can blow your phone out if you're watering the yard.
Yeah,
you know,
exactly. Yeah.
Well, and
clip
how
it around
about
your belt and haul it with you.
barbecuing?
Yeah.
We got to say, barbecuing is a wonderful
great time of year
thing
to barbecue. You know, people are starting to get out there and do a little more outside. So we got all sorts of grills. The Weber series has been real popular for us. We also have the Green Egg, the Traeger smoker, which is one of my new favorites. I actually have one. They're really good. It's a pellet smoker. It's real simple. You can grill on it. You can slow smoke on it. It's just a great thing. And you can't forget our birds. You know, we got the hummingbirds coming out now. We got hummingbird feeder nectar that you can do a concentrate or a ready-made. And we got, of course, the seeds and the bird baths and things like that.
All right, you're making it so easy for the birds and for us, I have to say, because keeping our little furry friends happy. The yard is just not the same without flowers and birds.
Absolutely.
And
you know, and one thing too I want to touch on is that, you know, with spring comes our annual demo fair. So April 27th, we're going to have our demo fair here from 9 to 3. We got manufacturers reps, over 20 of them will be here showing their wares, giving discounts. We'll have the Boys and Girls Club here doing free brats for our customers, so you can come out and have a brat. But have the festivities. We're going to have this outside setup, the inside setup. It's going to be a great fun. So please join us April 27th, 9 to 3.
Whoa, now that sounds fun. You can demonstrate all these wonderful things.
Absolutely.
Like your barbecues, etc. All right, Toth, thanks. Lots of fun. We are going to be ready for spring at Prescott True Value.
Thanks, Sandy.